One day, a husband calls his wife, but his daughter answered. Hello? Hey, honey, this is Daddy. Is Mommy near the phone? No, Daddy, she's upstairs in the bedroom with Uncle Paul. But, honey, you don't have an Uncle Paul. Oh, yes, I do, and he's upstairs in the bedroom with Mommy right now. Okay, honey, this is what I'm gonna need you to do. Put the phone down, run upstairs, and knock on the bedroom door. And shout to Mommy that Daddy's car just pulled into the driveway. Okay, Daddy, just a minute. A few minutes later, the little girl comes back on the phone. I did it, Daddy. And what happened, honey? Well, Mommy got scared, jumped out of bed, started running around, she tripped, hit her head, and now she isn't moving. Oh my God, what about your Uncle Paul? He also got scared, tried to jump out of the back window into the swimming pool, but he didn't know that you took out the water last week to clean it. He hit the bottom of the pool, and I think he's dead. After a long pause, the dad says, Swimming pool? Wait, is this 3517381?